Hey, what's going on, traders? It's Tuesday, January 24th, 9:01 a.m., and we're going to do the morning ideas. Okay, gang. Yesterday we were having some website problems, so I decided I didn't have time to do the morning ideas. So I apologize for that, but here we are back. And if you haven't seen, and I'll mention this at the end too, but if you haven't seen the newest 40 for 40 this week, it was put out yesterday. So there's a video. You can watch that after here for some more giveaways. As far as the market, we have actually tried to reach now to the upper end. Yesterday, we reached to the upper end of this long-term area, 40.68. We almost got there. We got to like 40.60. And now we have pulled back just a little bit. You can see here on the little bit more zoomed in view that we've reached, and now we've pulled back, and now we're trading 40.15. Again, I think that 40.80 is in the cards above. If the market continue to, push higher. I don't, as I said last week, these were my two areas, right? So on Friday last week, we were talking about these two areas framing the market. We got above this one, and I said, if we get above that, you'll likely see 40.20 and then 40.80 if I'm looking at the 4 hour here. What we've done is we've done 40.20, and we're trying to get to 40.80. Yesterday, we pushed and pushed and pushed. Got to 40, almost 40.60. So we're almost there. And now we're pulling back a bit here. This is the 15-minute you're looking at now. And I don't know why my volume has disappeared, but let me do this. Relative volume, I put that back on there. Here we go. Okay, it was on there. I guess it was just hiding. Okay, so 70% volume overnight. I don't see this as a big, down day or anything like that. It's just that overnight we've pushed back and forth, and then we're kind of dipping lower. Yesterday's close was up here in the 40.30 area. So what I would expect off of the open is for us to push back towards that area, back towards the VWAP from yesterday, back towards the closing price, back towards 40.35. And eventually, again, I still think that we're going to try to attack 40.80. The only downside is that we have a pretty big area. We talked about this last week, a pretty big area below us that can pull the market towards it. So, again, I think that for this week, I'm looking for 40.80 to be tagged as the market tries to get itself out of here. We don't really have a whole lot. Except for, some GDP numbers on Thursday and some PCE price index. I don't even know what that is on Friday. But for the most part, the news is pretty clear this week. And we're just kind of doing our thing in this really, really thick area, which is starting to look pretty top heavy because we're building a lot more volume here in the, 30. We build a lot of volume in the 39.60, 39.70 area. And now it looks like it needs to fill in to me a bit more. And that's, again, why I think that we'll attack, this, 40.80. And then eventually, like the high would be, 41.35 area before we would run into any kind of, real resistance above. Okay. So again, get involved in the week 3 NFL 40 for 40 challenge for the giveaways. And we've got a lot of cool things coming up into the Super Bowl. Okay, guys? So I think that's all for today. If you guys have any questions, please let me know.